and read. Were you right? Let's cook! Dora Patterson is 10 years old. She's the winner of the TV show Kids Cook. Dora lives in London with her mum, dad, 2 brothers and her dog Baxter.
Hi everyone! I'd like to tell you all about my favourite food. My favourite food is Welsh rarebit. It's cheese on toast. Does that sound boring? It isn't, I promise. It's savoury and delicious and very easy to make. Welsh rarebit, time 10 minutes, for 4 people. Ingredients: bread, cheese, 1 egg, milk, salt. First you toast some bread. Then you put cheese, an egg yolk, the yellow part of the egg, milk and a little salt into a bowl. Then you mix it together. Then you put the mixture on the bread. Last, you put the bread under the grill for a few minutes. Yum!
Okay, so here is the text, in case you want to read it. Remember, just fix the image. Si querés leerlo de nuevo vos, podés mirar todo el video de nuevo y escuchar mientras lees, o dejar la imagen fija y leerlo. Me parece que de las predicciones que hicimos, hubo algunas cosas que no estaban y otras que sí estaban. Ahora nos fijamos.